Hi Gus, hi Tony. This is Kelly Carwile, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in more clients. Today we're going to go through website content, the importance of keywords and backlinks, and finally how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is content. You have a wonderful site, it's visually appealing and it's easy to navigate. It also loads very quickly for me. I do see a couple of things. So when I do a search, say a search for gutter installation, I see here that there's gutter cleaning. And I'm not sure that you're the company that I would need to do that service. But if I scroll down, I do see that you do everything. You do gutter cleaning, repairs, and installations. So what I would do is I would change this here to something a little more encompassing, something that like gutter services or something similar. Also, it looks like you could use a little bit more content. So it looks like you have around 830 words. When we talk about content, I mean all of the words on your front page to include pictures and what's behind those pictures. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words to be optimized or viewed as highly relevant. A keyword is a search term that is used by a potential client that is searching for your service. So you need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in the keywords needed to bring your site to the top of those search results. So over here, if we go over to your competition, we see here that they have around 900 words in their content. To beat your competition, you will need to begin with more content that is strategically mixed with just the right keywords. So over here, I have done a Google search for gutter installation Maryland. At the top of the page, we see ads if they don't have an ad blocker, and then we get to the map pack. You're going to want to be in this map pack. You see here, you want to be in this top 3 because you see when I click on the search that is the first thing that I see when it comes up. So it's important to be there. You can get to the top of the map pack by filling out your Google business profile completely and including your business in as many relevant directories as you can. Google will give you more score authority to referring sites that are relevant to your business. These help you rank higher in the maps. So you're going to want to ensure that you are listed in the same directories as your competition and then add even more to completely dominate in this area. So if we go down to the organic search below that, here we see that Gutter Guys is number 1. And Chesapeake Property Services is coming in currently at number 27 on page 3 of that search result. So let's look at why your competition is outranking you. So Ahrefs is a tool that I use daily in my work to look at site metrics. It's very useful in doing my SEO analysis. Your Google site trustworthiness score is a 20. And your power score is a 10 out of 100. And over here, your competition is a 38 and a 14 respectively. So by working on your content and your backlinks, this score will improve over time. We see here on your website that there are 70 referring domains that are giving you 881 backlinks. Backlinks are just that. They're a website that is sending a link back to your site. So not all links, though, are created equal. So it's not always about quantity of backlinks, but quality of backlinks. The link that you obtain is more effective when you have an industry-relevant site that is linking back to you. So for example, if you have a remodeling or a roofing company that is linking your site on their page, it would be more powerful than the local restaurant doing the same thing. So you see that your competition over here has more referring domains and backlinks, resulting in quite a bit more traffic. So here we can also start to pick apart keywords. So we can look at what is working well once it loads. We can look and see what is working well for the competition and what is relevant to you and go after those keywords. So once you have your organic rich content and your backlinks have come together and you start to outgrow your competition, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important to your business. So say you're in that #1 position, say, for gutter guard installation, Maryland, you're in that #1 top spot that Gutter Guys is holding right now. So this would be potentially your traffic, 866 people coming to your site every month. So let's say that you 10% of these people actually call. This is your conversion rate. And then say that you close 50% of those calls, which is typical in this industry. They're probably closing around 44 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that will generate some pretty decent revenue. This is what I do for a living, and I've created this video to help you start generating your own leads online. This is something that you can totally do yourself. I would really love some feedback. If you could just give me one line of feedback, something that just doesn't take too much of your time. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add more value to the small businesses that I work with. This is just something that's very important to me and my business. So I would also love to see your site at #1. I understand that this takes you away from the day-to-day operations though. So if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself some time in partnering with me, you can give me a call at 321-626-0586 and we can do a deep dive and talk about your goals and see if I would be a good fit for you. I would love to help you in any way that I can. Again, my number is 321-626-0586, or you can reply to this email. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.